But what if the secret to truly unlocking your body's natural fat-burning power lies deep within your cells? We're talking about your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouse engines responsible for converting the food you eat into pure, usable energy. When these critical cellular structures start to slow down, so does everything else: your energy, your focus, and most importantly, your metabolism. This is why so many traditional weight loss methods fail. They're not addressing the root cause. Imagine a life where you wake up feeling refreshed, your energy levels are consistent throughout the day, and your body naturally becomes a more efficient fat-burning machine. No jitters, no crashes, no extreme diets. Just a gentle yet powerful reawakening of your body's inherent ability to thrive. This isn't a fantasy, it's the potential of Mitolyn. Mitolyn is a revolutionary, all-natural weight loss supplement designed to specifically target and optimize your mitochondrial function. It's formulated with a unique blend of ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola rosea, and astaxanthin, powerful natural compounds scientifically studied for their ability to boost metabolism, enhance cellular energy production, and support natural fat oxidation. Think of it as giving your cellular powerhouses a much-needed upgrade. Users report not just sustainable fat loss, but also increased daily energy, improved mental clarity and focus, reduced cravings, better digestion, and an overall feeling of vitality and youthful vigor. This is about more than just losing weight. It's about reclaiming your energy, your confidence, and your health from the inside out. Mitolyn is a non-stimulant fat burner that works with your body, not against it, promoting a metabolic reset that can lead to long-term lasting results. Are you ready to stop struggling and start thriving? Are you ready to discover the difference that optimized cellular energy can make in your weight loss journey and your life? Don't wait! For a limited time, you can access the most significant discounts available directly from the official source. Click the link in the description right now to visit the official Mitolyn website. This is your exclusive access to special pricing and to ensure you're getting the genuine product. Don't risk counterfeit versions from unauthorized sellers. Click the link in the description to go to the official website and unlock your discount on Mitolyn today. Your journey to a more energized, leaner, and healthier you starts now.